Hello to my YouTubers, it's me, Cass, who I am back with another video. Alright y'all, today I will be showing y'all how to make homemade cornbread. This is how my mom showed me when I was about 13 in the kitchen trying to learn how to cook, which paid off because you know, I do this for a living now. I sell a lot of baked goods, cakes, pudding, pies, all of that. So I'm going to get started. As y'all see here, I have my bowl. And right now I'm letting my cooking oil in my skillet that I'm going to pour my cornbread mix into heat up right now. So I'm letting my cooking oil heat up just a little bit, just till it starts sizzling. So what all you need is cornmeal, sugar. I put just a little bit of sugar, not a lot. Some people love sweet cornbread. I don't like sweet cornbread like that. Just like a little bit of sugar in mine. You would need your egg. It depending on what side pan cornbread you make. If you're making like a big side for a family, you will need at least 2 to 3 eggs. But since I'm making a small little pan, I'm going to use 1 egg. And you need your milk. Now you can use whatever milk, but if you want to do old-fashioned buttermilk cornbread, use buttermilk. Woo! Y'all, the grease like to pop on me. So I'm just going to use regular milk because I don't have any buttermilk. I would prefer anyone to use buttermilk. So I don't really do no measuring, y'all. And this is the buttermilk cornbread I am using. You can use whatever cornmeal you want to use. You can use yellow cornmeal. You can use self-rising cornmeal. Buttermilk cornmeal, like what I have here. You can use whatever you want to use. Whatever cornmeal. Some people mix flour with theirs. I do not like it like that. No, 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 no. No flour. Just straight cornmeal. So I'm just going to eyeball how much I think will fit in my small pan. Because I'm doing a small pan. And that should be good enough. I am doing a small pan. Here's my small pan that I'm doing. My skillet. I'm using a small skillet for my cornmeal. Okay, just me. Sometimes I cook enough food for my mom and sister. So today, y'all, I'm doing my Sunday dinner. Today is Sunday. I'm cooking kale greens. I am cooking turkey wings, baked macaroni and cheese, and I am doing cornbread. But I just wanted to show y'all how I do my cornbread. So I put that much of sugar in there. Crack your egg. So you want to put your cornmeal, your sugar, and your egg in there. So start off with all your dry ingredients. Some people put mayo in theirs. As a matter of fact, I think I'm just going to squirt. I'm going to put just a little bit of mayo in mine. You can put mayo in there. You don't have to, but you can. I'm still in my PJs, y'all. So I'm just put a little bit of mayo, like a spoonful of mayo in there. You don't need a lot. And that's optional. You don't have to put it in there if you don't want to. Okay, I'm just going to eyeball how much milk that I will need. I'm not going to put a lot in there. You can add as you go. So just start off with just a little. And you're going to mix this all together until it's combined. I don't know if y'all can hear my cooking all over there popping away. Y'all see how it's mixing all together. Now I'm going to add a little bit more milk. You don't want it to be dry cornbread when it bakes. You want it to be moist, very moist. You don't want no dry cornbread. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more milk. And you don't want it too thin of a batter. You don't want your cornbread batter to be too thin. If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that notification bell to be alert when I post new food videos, mukbangs, challenges, and also hit that subscribe button as well. For all the ones that's already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to share these videos with your friends, family, anyone else, beginner cooks that's trying to learn how to cook. This is what my channel is all about. I'm going to add a little bit more. As y'all see, my cornmeal batter is a little too wet. So I'm going to add a little bit more cornmeal. You can always add, but you can't never take away. Sometimes I end up with a little bit too much batter to go in my pan. It's alright. Just throw it away in the trash can. Pour it down the sink or whatever with hot water. I don't mind wasting a little bit of cornmeal batter if I'm not going to use it all. I don't want to waste a whole lot, but you know, we'll waste a little bit. Okay. Now do y'all see? Alright. Once again, it's a little bit too thin. So I'm going to add just a little, I did add a little bit more sugar, y'all. Alright. Add a little bit more cornmeal. I'm trying to get the right consistency batter mix. Alright, so this is the thickness that you want to like pourable. Alright, so next and last step is to add your cooking oil. Now you don't have to do this. I do this because I want my cornbread to have a little bit extra moisture to it, and then not only that, to keep my skillet greased up. So I'm just going to pour it over in here. That's about enough. And all you want to do is just mix this all together. Combine the cooking oil real good in the batter, the cornmeal batter. Now, like I said, you can make it how sweet you want. Some people did. Sometimes I do mix a little bit of Jiffy cornbread that come in the box. I do mix it with this, with just a little bit of sugar, just to give it like that yellow color, and a little bit of extra sweetness. Some people prefer just plain Jiffy cornbread, not the old-fashioned way. This is the old-fashioned way. Alright, so I'm going to bring my skillet right here. I'm going to pour it into here. And set your oven to 350. Set your oven to 350. And let it bake until it starts browning at the top. And you can put it inside after it starts browning. That's how you know that your cornbread is ready. And put it down at the bottom where it can broil and get that even brown crust. And no more than probably like, to get the boil to brown, no more than probably 1 minute, because you don't want to burn it. So I'm going to go ahead and place it in the oven. And I will be back with you guys with the finished product. Alright, my YouTubers, here is my finished product of my cornbread. Oh my goodness, that thing looked like a cake. It is a buttermilk cornbread. Alright, y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, I'm out.